And good Tuesday afternoon. I'm Foothills Action Network Chief Meteorologist Chris White. Let's take a look at your weather headlines going into Wednesday, January the 11th, 2023. You're going to open the day with more clouds than sun. Through the day, though, the sun's going to win out, and I think we'll see more sun than clouds. Then clouds will start to increase as we go into the nighttime time frame. Strong storms are possible Thursday afternoon. I think the severe risk is probably going to stay south, maybe west of us. It's a close call, though. It's something we're going to have to watch as we go through the day Wednesday. If they are strong or severe, the big threat would be damaging straight line winds with those. Going into the condition cast for your Wednesday, January the 11th, then mainly cloudy in the morning at 8 o'clock as you're headed out the door, but that becomes partly cloudy skies by noon, by mostly cloudy skies by 4 p.m., continuing on to about 8 p.m. tomorrow night. First, look at your Wednesday forecast with temperatures. Generally in the mid 50s across the entire area. There'll be a couple upper 50s in the southern and northwestern Piedmonts, the 40s in the mountains to the low 50s across Lake Lure. Your hot tub forecast then for Wednesday looks very good. Thursday, we've gone red with that, an alert day for the hot tub, especially with that lightning coming in the afternoon with those thunderstorms. The wind's also going to pick up from the from the southwest initially, then by Friday, become from the west northwest and be fairly strong with 20-25 mile per hour gusts in there. So we'll take a look and see how the radar look is potentially going to look Thursday. Going through the timeline, you can see this is at 1 o'clock, going up through 2:30 now. The line's coming into the mountains. Here comes the line of storms around 3:50 or 4 o'clock or so, and then by 5 o'clock, it's moving through our eastern foothill counties and southern Piedmont. And you can see there are a couple strong cells showing up in there. I do think this is a little overdone based on what instability I'm seeing out there that will be available. So we'll see. We'll continue to track this. That's just a potential for what Futurecast radar is showing right now. For your 7 day forecast, then that takes us in through next Tuesday. A very interesting day across the area Friday after those strong storms that we talked about Thursday. The flow will change to the northwest as the cold front passes. That's going to lead to some good mountain snowfall there all the way through the day Friday into Friday night, ending Saturday morning pre dawn. Across the foothills, though, it'll be just sprinkles as will be too warm for seeing any snow down off of the Blue Ridge. Going into the weekend, it'll start off cool, but in pleasant with mainly clear skies Saturday, mostly cloudy Sunday and Monday, and then rain chances will return on Tuesday. Going into the southern foothills, and you can see we've added that alert day for Thursday with the potential for severe thunderstorms, especially down along the southern border, the South Carolina, North Carolina border there, and then clearing out nicely as we go into the weekend and that rain returning by next week. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday. I'm Foothills Action Network Chief Meteorologist Chris White.